Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Maria Claudette Diligot. I am from Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I am 29 years old and I am a single. My highest educational attainment is college graduate with the degree of Bachelor of Science in Criminology. My hobbies are cooking, gardening, and many more. I work as domestic helper here in the Philippines for 9 years with the family of 3, a couple and their newborn baby. My responsibilities are household chores like cooking, general cleaning, ironing clothes, marketing, gardening, car washing, and taking care the baby. I want to work in Hong Kong because of the high salary. In this way, I can better help my family, especially my mother. To my future employer, Mom, sir, please choose me as your housemaid. I promise I will treat you like my own family, and I'll be hardworking, patient, honest, and trustworthy. Thank you and God bless.